everybody, welcome to the Unique's Brand Life. And today, you know, I had to come back with a second video for the wrap snacks. You feel me? All right, so today I have here Master P. All right, and here I have Bootsy, and over here I have E40. All right, and this is what the top looks like. I can't really show you guys because it's hot. Okay. So y'all know I had to go find these noodles. So on the back of this, it has about Percy Miller's life. It says that he was born and raised in the New Orleans, Louisiana, growing up in poverty. He understood the value of hard work, sacrifice, and so you guys, I got interrupted. A phone call came through, but as I was saying, it tells about Master P and his life. So what I am gonna do is I am going to try. It's called creamy chicken gumbo. I don't know what that's about, but we gonna see. Alright, this is what it looks like in the inside. Okay, let me stir these noodles up. Y'all bear with me because this is hot. And I'm gonna let you guys know how they taste, for real, because I love me some noodles. Y'all see, look, I ain't healthy for no reason, boo-boo. I love me some noodles. So, all right, let me taste some of these noodles. I'm trying to see what this tastes like. I mean, it tastes good. It just got a little extra seasoning with it. It don't taste like no creamy chicken, but it got a hint of something else in there. Now I can taste it. Okay, now I see why they call it creamy chicken gumbo, because I could taste a little hint of a gumbo taste, but it's good, y'all. All right, it's good, so I like it. Next, you guys, I have Bootsy out. All right, so his cup of noodles say sometimes you need those bad days because it helps you truly appreciate the good ones. So his noodle flavor is Louisiana hot spicy chicken. Why his stuff always gotta be hot? I'll wait. So this is what his stuff looks like right there. And I'm gonna take this off and stir this up. All right, and this is what his noodles look like. All right, y'all, let's taste these spicy chicken. Oh, These ain't hot, y'all. I need to drink this water, huh? Oh my gosh. Woo! Okay. So for all my viewers, if y'all ever had the ramen noodles, chili flavor, this tastes like this, but hotter. I don't know why he gotta be so hot though. Like why the Boosie gotta have the most spiciest stuff? He got the spicy chips. It tastes like jalapenos. And then he got these spicy noodles. But I love them though. They are good, but I'ma definitely have to have some water with me. So you guys, last but not last. That Boosie noodles got me some acid reflux going on, y'all. So, okay, so right now I got these E40 noodles. This is how they look. Alright, so he got the beef prime rib. And his quote in the back says, "Believe in your own dreams before you believe in somebody else's dreams. You smell me. Your personality and networking skills will take you a long way. Always remember, stay down until you come up. Real talk." Okay, E40. Y'all know E40 always blibber blabbing somewhere. Let me stir up his noodles, his prime rib. But y'all, these are the only flavors that they have out right now. I looked on the website and these are the only flavors. Now they got a ton of flavor of chips, but these are the only ramen noodles that they got right now. I think they're trying to see how these sell, and then they're gonna like bring out some more flavors with more artists. So let's see how this tastes. It smells good though. I don't know about this. This one really don't have no taste. I gotta put a little salt and pepper with this. Let me see. This one's kind of bland. This one really didn't have no flavor to it. Now, the creamy chicken gumbo, I can kind of get a hint of why they said creamy chicken gumbo. Louisiana spicy chicken is definitely spicy. And this is bland. I don't know. It's not no beef prime rib, so I can't swing it. But y'all, these are the 3 noodles. Okay. Master P, Boosie, and E40. And y'all, that is all for my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let your girl know what y'all want to see. Like, I be doing videos, y'all, and y'all don't tell me what y'all want to see. I need y'all to drop down in that comment section. Make sure you hit your post notifications and know when your girl is dropping another video. So, that's all for today. And y'all be blessed. Bye.